Hi everyone. Thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. Today's video is from Walmart and this is their classic subscription box for the month of January 2019. And it comes in they've switched up the boxes a little bit, but now it comes in like a light blue box with the Walmart symbol on it. And I just took the outer saran wrap off with the label. And then you open the box. And the little card in the box this month says Hydration Heroes. And it wants you to rate and review their box. And you can enter to win a $100 gift card by doing that. So I don't generally do that, but I might. You never know. And the first item in the box this month is a black charcoal bubble sheet mask. And this is from the company So AE. So another sheet mask. They're always great to have. And then I see here a one sample from Olay. And it's their Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract Cloth. So I guess you just add water. So I guess that's a nice sample size to get to see if you want to try the Olay Daily Facials. I think I have tried them in the past. And we have I would consider this probably a deluxe sample, if not their full size. But I know Curel has bigger bottles. And this is their Wet Skin Moisturizer. And this is Hydrotherapy. And let's just see. And it does not have a safety seal, which I always like to see, but not a problem. So Curel is a very good brand, so I will give that a try. Walmart seems to be famous for putting these in their boxes lately, and this is from Garnier, and this is the Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisture Day-Night Mask. And excuse me. And these are very nice. I have, like I said, we've gotten them so many times in the past. I have tried them. And they are very, very nice. So, I'm not mad about it. But it just gets old getting the same, the same products. And Garnier, I love their micellar waters and stuff. They probably have the best ones out there. So, they give you a little, information card on that. And they give you, obviously, there must be another Garnier product because they gave us a little card. No coupon, but little cards. So here we go. Here's another product from Garnier, and this is their Fructis line, and this is a hair mask, a 1-minute hair mask to repair damaged hair, and this is has papaya extract in it, and this is a one-time mask, which is fine to try to see if you like it. So I have tried them before, and then we have a lip mask from Neutrogena, and I've never seen this in a box before, a lip mask. And this is called Collagen Kiss, and this is a collagen-infused lip mask, infused with vitamin C, vitamin E. Okay, that's a nice product, and you can feel inside there that it's shaped, shaped like lips. So, not mad about that either. And then they give you, a card for their first to try some other products. And then what I have seen, which is new for Walmart, they are starting to include little makeup bags. So it has the Walmart symbol on the back, and this is like a bronzish, coppery, probably more like the bronze like color, with a nice tassel, nice heavy duty zipper, nice, faux leather, but still pretty nice size, makeup bag too. You could easily take away weekend trip, or just use for your daily makeup. So we get so many of the bags, especially being an Ipsy member. But I'll take another bag. So we got 2 masks, and then a hair treatment. We got another mask from Garnier, and we have a face wipe, and then we have a wet skin moisturizer from Curel, and that is the classic box from Walmart for the month of January 2019. And these boxes are free when you sign up on their website, and this is a monthly subscription, and you get it every month unless you go on and cancel. The only thing you pay is $5 for shipping. And for me to get, there's a full-size sheet mask plus get the lip mask, you would clearly, and then the Curel, which is, a very good size, you would pay more than $5 for that. So that is definitely worth the $5. And this is the classic, and I also get the Trendsetter, but the Trendsetter for me always seems to come like a week or two after I get this box, which I'm fine. So I had heard a quote from somebody on YouTube, and I thought it hit home with me, so I wanted to share it with you. Subscribing to a channel is free for you and means the world to the creator. And I thought that was definitely hit home with me. I know I subscribe to a lot of channels, and to anybody that asks if you subscribe to mine, I always go to your channel and subscribe, watch your video, like it, leave a comment, just to let you know that I am returning the support that you are showing to me. So remember to like this video, share it if you choose, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And to all my subscribers that have been with me and are just joining, you mean the world to me. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.